Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video topic, A Think of Beauty. It's written by John Keats. So let's start. Question number first. What kind of a poet was John Keats? Options are a realistic, a religious, medieval, a romantic. Correct answer is a romantic. Next question. Who is the poet of A Think of Beauty? Options are John Donne, William Blake, William Wordsworth, John Keats. Correct answer is John Keats. Next question. From where has this poem A Think of Beauty been taken? Options are from Keats' work Endymion, a poetic romance, Ode to Nightingale, Ode on Melancholy, Ode on Indolence. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Who is Endymion? Options are a worker, an office boy, a young child, a young shepherd. Correct answer is option D. A young shepherd. Next question. Where did the poet and Endymion live? Options are in a hut, on a hill, in a tree house, on Mount Latmus. Correct answer is option D, on Mount Latmus. Next question. Whom did the enchanted youth resolve to seek? Options are God, nature, mentor, Cynthia, the moon goddess. Correct answer is Cynthia, the moon goddess. Next question. What are the things of beauty mentioned in the poem? Options are sun and moon, young trees and streams, flowers, all these. Correct answer is option D, all these. Next question. Which things cause suffering to human beings? Options are lack of virtues and inhuman acts, wearing flowers, withering flowers, blooming flowers, flowing streams. Correct answer is option A, lack of virtues and inhuman acts. Next question. What does Endymion do to seek goddess? Options are dances, sing songs, reads scriptures, wanders through forest. Correct answer is D, wanders through forest. Next question. How is a thing of beauty joy forever? Options are because it is beautiful, because it is nature, because it is joyful, because its beauty never ends and leave a lasting impact. Correct answer is option D. Next question. What is the message of the poem? Options are beauty never fades, beauty lifts springs high, beauty is a joy forever, all these. Correct answer is option D, all these. Next question. What does a thing of beauty do for us? Options are gives hope, gives happiness, removes pain and suffering, all these. Correct answer is option D. Next question. What is the endless fountain and what is its effect? Options are moving streams, the sunlight, a thing of beauty is endless fountain and it gives happiness. None. Correct answer is option C. A thing of beauty is endless fountain and it gives happiness. Next question. What does a thing of beauty is a joy forever means? Options are joy is in memory, joy is precious, joy is not sold, it will keep giving happiness for a longer time. Correct answer is option D. Next question. What is beauty in Keats' opinion? Options are a suffering, a cause of suffering, a cause of pain, a joy forever. Correct answer is option D. Next question. What is the concept of beauty? Options are beauty is pleasure, beauty is cause of all happiness, beauty is nothing, a quality which always gives happiness. Option D is correct answer. A quality which gives always happiness. Next question. Do we experience things of beauty only for a short time? Options are yes, they are short lived. Yes, beauty is a temporary thing. It never lasts forever. No, they make a lasting impression of happiness. Correct answer is option D. Next question. Who said that a thing of beauty is a joy forever? Options are John Millet, Christopher, a young shepherd, John Keats. Option D is correct answer. Next question. How does a thing of beauty provide shelter and comfort? Options by giving a sense of joy and happiness, by removing pain and suffering, like a bower, all these. Correct answer is option D. Next question. Whose loveliness will keep on increasing? Options of rivers, of mountains, of nature, of all beautiful things. Correct answer is option D, of all beautiful things. Next question. Write the phrase which means it is immortal. Options are it will never fade, it will never pass into nothingness, it will never cease, it will keep giving happiness for a longer time. Correct answer is option B. It will never pass into nothingness. Next question. What is a bower? Options are a river, a stream, a big tree, a shady tree. Correct answer is option D, a shady tree. Next question. Why do we need sweet dreams, health, and quiet breathing? Options are to have a healthy mind and body, to have sound sleep, to have peace and happiness, all these. Correct answer is option D. Next question. What are mighty deed in the poem? Options are dead people,